Frankly, when stumbling upon it while browsing the internet, we couldn't help but be amazed. What is this car, you may ask? Well, it's none other than the extraordinary Odyssey, a unique automotive creation that has captivated our attention like never before. After some thorough research aided by our trusty companion Google, we finally managed to uncover the fascinating story behind this car. The Odyssey, originally built upon a Nova GT kit car, proudly features a 1641 Beetle engine and a reliable Volkswagen chassis beneath its sleek exterior. However, Steve's venture with this exceptional creation did not culminate there. Throughout a decade-long journey, he embarked on 3 remarkable iterations, continuously pushing the boundaries of creativity and innovation. Notably, this ambitious project also serves as a heartfelt homage to the iconic VW Beetle Herbie, as evidenced by the incorporation of the legendary number 53 on various sections of the front bumper. The first stage of the Odyssey showcased subtle modifications to the kit, including some lower body tweaks and Ford Cougar headlights, also Ducati's side mirrors seamlessly integrated. It was a proof to Steve's skill and vision, preserved for future generations to admire. As he delved deeper into the world of car customization, the second iteration emerged, unveiling a more daring appearance. The Odyssey sprouted manga-inspired wings, sported aggressive ducting at the rear, and featured striking slots carved out of its hood. Inside, Steve revamped the interior with meticulously detailed billet knobs and buttons, complementing the snazzy teal paint job that adorned the exterior. But Steve's thirst for innovation didn't stop there. The third and current iteration pushed the boundaries to the extreme. The car underwent extensive fiberglass and Bondo work, resulting in completely restyled sides. The rear bodywork was dramatically eliminated, giving way to a jaw-dropping under-engine aero tray, a testament to Steve's audacious design choices. Not to forget, the engine received a substantial upgrade, elevating the car's performance to new heights.
Thank you for joining us on this exhilarating exploration.